Hello Kayami! Hope you have a great day! For today's recipe, I will be making Filipino-style chicken macaroni salad. Let's start by boiling the chicken. Season the chicken with salt and pepper. When the water is boiling, add the seasoned chicken. Cook the chicken breast in 12 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, using a tong, I remove from the pot the cooked boiled chicken. Using skimmer spoon, I remove some scum from boiling the chicken, then allow to boil. When the water is boiling, add the salt, then stir to dissolve the salt, then add the carrots. Blanch the carrot until the carrots become vibrant in colors. Using the same water for boiling the chicken and blanching the carrots, add more water as per package instruction of the macaroni pasta. Then add the chicken powder and allow to boil again before adding the macaroni. When the water is boiling, add the macaroni dry pasta, then cook as per package instruction. Regularly stir the macaroni to prevent from sticking together. Please cook al dente the macaroni. Do not overcook it.
Okay. Good.
Then wash only one time the macaroni just to stop the cooking process. Here's the macaroni that I cooked, and it still looks firm, but it's already cooked. Allow to cool down the macaroni before mixing with other ingredients. This is the boiled chicken that I set aside and cooled down, and I slice it into small cubes. I also added celery and the blanched carrots, and both I sliced into small cubes. Then adding the pineapple tidbits and the raisins. This is an optional ingredient if you're not eating raisins, but please do not omit putting pineapple tidbits. I divide into two mixing bowls the macaroni mixtures to mix well. Let's mix the salad dressing. In a separate mixing bowl, put the mayonnaise, add the table cream or all-purpose cream or heavy cream, whatever you have available. And the condensed milk. You can also replace sugar instead of the condensed milk. This is a cooking tip I learned from my late mom. To add pineapple juice if you don't have enough pineapple tidbits. Then season the salad dressing with salt and pepper according to your taste. Then I taste and I decided to add condensed milk to correct the taste. Separating the salad dressing is a good technique for better result of your salad. The salad dressing is yummy now. Yum, yum, yum. I transfer to a big wok the macaroni mixtures to mix well the rest of the salad mixtures. Then lastly, add the cheese that I sliced into small cubes also. Here's the chicken macaroni salad that I made. Good to serve these coming holidays. Hello, Kayami! Let's try this chicken macaroni salad, the Filipino style. Okay. With chicken and carrots. Cheers! This is one of my favorite dessert during the holidays. You can also replace the chicken with ham. And then if you want a colorful chicken macaroni, you can add green peas too. Of course, you need to thaw first, the frozen one, and add it. I think you need to add that upon serving. And make sure your pasta is not soggy. Should be al dente. Just follow the package instruction. If you like this video, don't forget to press the like button, write a comment, and please consider to subscribe. Thanks for watching! Bye!